Hello there! Welcome back to Scotty's Fridge. So, due to the ag thing, I wasn't able to continue the video, so hold on. So, we're gonna that should be good enough. We're gonna make a concoction in this bottle here. Hold on. I'm testing this out. This could be a new character. I don't know what kind of, voice I can give him. But here we go. We have the bottle. Currently it has the raspberry lemonade. We're going to add some Mountain Dew Zero to it. There we go. It's probably the last delicious thing we're going to add to it. So, we are going to add a bunch of other stuff to it. So we got mustard. Gotta shake your mustard. There we go. Mustard. Ketchup. This garlic stuff. Just came right in. Whoa! Oh. Spit it all over the. Okay. William would like, my son would like this. Ranch. I'm gonna add ranch to it. Yeah. Caramel sauce. This is not going to go down well. And finally, milk. Gonna have milk. That's it. Hold on. Okay. Hold on a minute. Just to add a little more flavor to it, I'm gonna add some Asian tea. Just cause it's kind of disgusting. Alright. So we gotta shake it up. This is gonna be disgusting. Why am I doing it? For views. Hand sticky, hold on. Alright. Or I could be like Keenan and Kel and create a cold medicine. It is. You know, this looks like bass milk. You ever seen Gabe Shakers? It looks like bass milk. Bottoms up. I don't want them. I don't want them. I don't want it. No. No. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. No. Goodbye. End the video. I'm not doing it. No. 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 Okay. Get a hold of yourself, Scotty. Get to it. back. I brought some mouthwash to help. I gotta do this. Oh, God. Oh, God. No. No. What the hell's where's the lid? I don't want to spill it over the place. Here it is. No! Hold on. Mouthwash. Gotta do the mouthwash. I'm taking this trash out of the way. Let's be a lesson. Don't do this. Oh. I couldn't even swallow it. I didn't want to swallow it. I was afraid. I was afraid for my life, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna pour it right down the drain. Damn. Okay, well, on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. Thank you for watching. I've been Scotty. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll see you.